Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to YMLA. This is my first post from a long series that will try to find the missing link between art and science, emotion and rationality, algorithms and what in fact is creativity. Oh, and this is my partner Y. Say hello Y.
Dann wieder sind wir Nazi balls.
Okay, we will need machine learning. Let's say for example that we try to write an app which will recognize a specific kind of flower. Let it be an iris. So we start writing functions which best describe the flower's features, such as the petal length, the sepal's length, the petal's width, the sepal's width, the shape of the flower, the color of the stamina. But no matter how much functions we write, it still will not be enough for describing all the new flower's features. So what shall we do, Mr. Y?
Use machine learning.
This is my first attempt to build a trained model with a deep neural network. I am very excited and I want to go further to more complex models such as LSTM or recurrent neural networks for training generative models chatbots or reproducing art paintings. In this example, I feed the deep neural network with the well-known eye-ris flower dataset from sklearn framework and use Tensorflow for training the model and predict if a given input represents an iris or not. Okay, so the training dataset is represented by 120 rows and 5 columns, each one having the sepal length, the sepal width, the petal length, the petal width for different species of iris. Neural networks are very good at predicting and finding patterns from a given input to a specific output. With the training dataset above, the model will guess which kind of iris flower will have the specific features given as input. I have to note that the model will always predict an iris flower, even if the input features will not represent an iris. The model is a deep neural network with 3 layers, each layer having 10, 20, respectively 10 neurons. For simplicity I use DNN classifier from skFlow, but for much deeper studying I recommend neural networks and deeplearnings.com. It's a great starting place for understanding these babes. Yes, neural networks are hot and sexy. A testing dataset is given for predicting accuracy. Obviously this dataset is much smaller, but it will say how well the model is guessing. On my computer, the accuracy is 0.8. Pretty well I say. But for better accuracy, it will need a bigger training dataset and a bigger neural network. That implies more computation power. In the end, I tested the model with 2 arrays and voila, I have my own iris flower detector.